Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for dashboard design. Figma is an excellent tool for creating interactive and visually appealing dashboards. Its collaborative features allow multiple designers to work simultaneously, ensuring a smooth workflow. You can leverage auto layout for responsive designs and create a robust component library for consistency across all your dashboard elements. This approach saves significant time and effort. To start, organize your Figma file with dedicated pages for different dashboard sections, like an overview or detailed reports. Next, build a comprehensive design system, including colors, typography, and icons, to maintain visual harmony. Implementing a consistent grid system, such as an 8-point grid, ensures precise alignment and spacing for all your elements. This foundational setup is crucial for an efficient design process. Now, let's craft the core dashboard elements. Focus on designing clear data visualizations, such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts, to convey information effectively. Develop intuitive interactive filters and navigation menus to enhance user experience. Always prioritize accessibility by ensuring sufficient color contrast and legible typography, making your dashboard usable for everyone. Aim for a clean, functional aesthetic. Finally, bring your dashboard to life through prototyping. Link your frames to simulate user interactions, like clicking buttons or navigating between sections, providing a realistic experience. Share these interactive prototypes with stakeholders and users to gather valuable feedback and conduct usability testing. Utilize Figma's commenting features for real-time collaboration, ensuring everyone is aligned and contributing effectively to the final design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.